I'm Abby.
You always late.
Sorry, I'm always laughing. But this is Destiny. This is Abby, and we're gonna talk about chicken wings.
About random stuff. Playing Temple Run. See. Temple Run. Yeah. Don't mind me. Wait, what? Wait! No! I keep losing. That's so cool. If you see that. I got 478. I gotta beat Abby, which is gonna be hard because she got 600. Hit the tree. I love chicken. Just to know. Chicken and tacos. Here comes Abby. Don't tell her anything that I said.
So, anyways,
she doesn't even know what she's talking about.
I really had to pee. I'm sorry. But these things, by the way, you guys, these Cheez-It snack mix
are the Jack-Off brand.
Jack-Off brand and Cheez-Its, even though it's Cheez-It brand. These are nasty. Do not get them ever. They're nasty.
Jack-Off brand.
Like, look at those things. Ew. Oh. It's a pretzel. Yeah.
Phone's ringing or vibrating or something.